turning wind into power and profit. These turbines above the Aman Valley generate enough electricity for 3,000 homes. Local people were able to buy a stake in the project, and the money it makes will be spent on getting more renewable energy schemes off the ground here.
After the coal mining industry, reduced, there's been a lack of opportunity to this area, and this is one way that we'll be able to, bring money back into this area and bring investment back.
The Welsh Government's current target is for 70% of Wales's electricity needs to be met from renewable sources by 2030. Currently, we're at 48%. But today's report says, really, we should be going much further. Policy experts spent 3 years looking at Wales's potential to generate clean, green power. They've produced a 10-point action plan, claiming all our energy demand could be met this way by 2035. They don't just mean electricity, but renewable heating and transport fuel too. It could result in the creation of over 20,000 well-paid jobs and inject an extra £7 billion into the Welsh economy.
There's environmental benefit, there's social benefit, there's economic benefit. And I think one of our clear messages from our final plan is that, we need leadership on this.
Leadership and funding. Currently, about 2% of the Welsh Government's budget is allocated to energy. Nowhere near enough, the report says, if ministers are serious about hitting strict targets around cutting carbon emissions. They want a new pot of cash set up to help attract big green schemes to Wales.
We're hoping to do a lot more of these solar panels across.
Thousands of smaller projects will be needed too, with public bodies urged to consider how their buildings and land could be transformed into mini power stations, like this primary school near Ammanford.
We have put some solar panels in the roof.
We've saved £15,000 due to the fact that we don't have to use energy that is not made from nature.
I feel great that I'm part of something important to the environment.
Reducing demand for